You keep hearing the word Atmanirbharta, especially in Indian defense and the military, but has it really happened in a big way, even for basic things like firearms that our infantry and troops use? Well, here's a start. India's first indigenous machine pistol, called ASMI, developed jointly by the Defense Research and Development Organization and the Indian Army, has been displayed today at the Army's innovation event ahead of Republic Day. This Make in India firearm will be offered to replace 9mm pistols in the defense forces already. This machine pistol can fire at a range of 100 meters and is in the class of the legendary Uzi series of machine pistols made by Israel. You've likely seen them in movies. The prototype has fired over 300 rounds in the last 4 months of its development. We went to check out this new weapon.
The first of its kind, made in India, machine pistol. Manufactured, actually the design is Lieutenant Colonel Prasad Bansod of the Infantry School, Mao. You've designed it and the DRDO and you are making this machine pistol. Explain this machine pistol to us, sir.
This is India's first indigenous attempt at making a machine pistol. It is based on the in-service 9mm ammunition. This product has been conceptualized at the Infantry School, Mao, and we have made it with the help of ARD, Armament Research Development Establishment, Pune. The weapon functions on the in-service 9mm ammunition. It fires from a high-capacity 33-round magazine. The magazine can be inserted in the pistol grip. Weapon features a folding buttstock, by which the weapon becomes very compact to carry. The butt can be deployed easily. The weapon features a charging handle, which in this case is fixed onto the left side. However, depending on the tactical situation, the charging handle can also be shifted onto the other side of the weapon.
So, for example, if I want to cock this weapon and I use my left hand, I will have the cocking handle here.
Yes.
Alternatively, I just twist this and pull it and then fire.
Yes. If I am firing from my left shoulder, all I need to do is turn the weapon this way and it's still ready to fire.
Perfect. Perfect.
The weapon
33 rounds. 33 rounds means do all the 33 rounds like in an assault rifle fire in one go?
Yes, we have the change lever of the weapon. As you can see it here, it can be operated with both the hands.
Yes. So now it's on burst fire round.
It's on safe. On the first press, it goes on the single shot, and the second press, it goes on a full auto mode. In a full auto mode, once you press the trigger, keep the trigger pressed, it will fire all 33 rounds
in one go. 9mm ammunition. Now, who will use this? This is not for soldiers at the line of control. This is for soldiers perhaps in counter-terror operations?
This has primarily been thought of with an intention for soldiers who operate heavy weapons like medium machine guns, automatic grenade launchers, anti-tank launchers, A vehicle, that is the tank crews, aircraft crews, policing, VIP duties, counter-insurgency, counter-terrorist operations. This has been intended and made with this intention.
Gaurav Sawant is with us live. He's had the privilege of going across and checking out this weapon. Gaurav, very, very exciting time. A fully indigenous machine pistol. The machine pistols that we've usually seen are the Israeli Uzis. What did this one feel like? I mean, it's interesting because even though it's been a bit of a bumpy road as far as indigenous firearms is concerned, this one has been made by the DRDO in collaboration with its customer, the Indian Army.
Shiv, you're spot on. You're spot on about the bumpy ride. Also the fact that this has been conceptualized by the end user. The army is the end user. So you have a soldier who actually sat at Infantry School Mao, interacting with soldiers, trying to find out what were the problems with existing weapons and how we can have a weapon that we want. Where would you want to keep your hand? What kind of comfort would you want for it? What kind of a grip are we looking at? What kind of sights do we want on it? The touch and feel. It's also extremely light. 2 kgs is the heavier version, 1.7 the lighter version. The magazine, remember in INSAS 5.56, the plastic magazine would crack. Now this has a steel and composite material magazine, so it won't crack. 9mm ammunition, fires quickly, very easy to keep, very easy to fire. But again, this is still a prototype.
Yes.
It still remains to be seen what all improvements are required, Shiv, before it's finally inducted into the army, if at all. But the price is this prototype is about 40 to 50,000 rupees. So according to the army, much cheaper than what's available from overseas. Shiv, a lot of innovations at this innovation camp, for the chief to see.
Yes.
And innovations that our soldiers require to improve everyday soldiering, from bulletproof jackets, from drawing water from the air, to artificial intelligence, where the army is playing a big role now, Shiv.
Very, very interesting, and we'll be looking out for all of those. Thanks very much, Gaurav, for getting us the latest. I hope you get a chance to test it out with real ammunition soon at a firing range. You'll see more of that over the weekend with Gaurav in our special report on those firearms and innovations by our very own soldiers.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.